Hey guys, in this lecture, I'm going to show you how this course works. So first thing, I'll introduce you to Adobe After Effects CC. We will start off by navigating the workspace and learning some essential key terms and basic features that will help you become familiar with the layout. Then I'll tell you more about the 5 basic transforms, keyframing and easy ease, which are some essential features in order to understand how animation works in After Effects. Then I'll introduce you to a helpful plugin, which is the Move Anchor Point. Then last thing for this section, I'll introduce you to track mattes, which is a very essential feature in After Effects that you have to understand in order to proceed with creating the transitions animation projects throughout this course. If you are someone who already knows the basics of After Effects, you can either watch this first section to refresh your memory, or you can choose to skip it and go right away to the project's creation. Now, starting this section, I'll walk you through each transition animation project step by step from start to end. We'll be creating lines transition, shape transition, custom shape transition, liquid transition, warp transition, optical transition, and camera shake transition. If you haven't seen the final look of these projects, please check out the promo video. You will also get all the project files to work along with. One final note here, if you do have any problems with playing any video throughout this course, please do not hesitate to contact Udemy support. And while watching the lectures, if you think that my pace is too fast or too slow to you, you have the option to play your lectures at different speeds. To change the speed of a particular lecture video, go to that lecture and drag your mouse over the video. You will see a button in the bottom left corner of the video giving you the option to change the speed. Also, if you do have any questions throughout the course, you have here the discussion board, which is the Q&A section. You can post your question right away and I'll reply as soon as possible. Great! So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, and now let's dive right into our course content. So I'll see you next lecture.